Welcome. So we're going to answer this question before us. It says the range of the function this right here with this restricted domain is which of the following? The first thing I would do here is actually just give this thing a sketch on my CAS just so I can get a sense of what it looks like. So let's just define this function. Okay, so I'm going to go f of x, then I can go control this button here, then I'm going to go 2, then you're going to go trig sine 2x, close your brackets, then you're going to go control this such that, and then you're going to put in this. So it's going to be, now I'm going to go here, you're going to go pi on 8, control this is less than x, control this is just less than, not equal to, and then you're going to go this pi on 3. Perfect. And now that's all defined. And now we can just open up this page here, a graph page, go f of x, hit that. And there you can see it right there. Let's go window zoom, zoom box. There it is in all its glory. So if we're figuring out what the range is here, hopefully you can see what it is we're going to have to do. So you can kind of look at it here. Let me just bring this here for a second, just so we can get you a bit. So what we need to figure out is, all right, the range is the lowest y to the highest y. Well, this is going to be the lowest y, isn't it? This is going to be the highest y. So that's what we have to figure out here. So how are we going to go about this? Well, I know that my lowest x value is pi on 8. So that means when I chuck pi on 8 into this, I'm going to get out the relevant y. And how am I going to get out this value here? Like, what is that going to be? We could go menu, analyze, maximum, and say, well, what's it going to be right here? And as you can see, it just gives out us the value of 2 there. So it's definitely going to be 2 for it. And then it's just a matter of figuring out what this is going to be. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, surely we could just go minimum and get it like that. But do you see how it's not giving us an exact form? So you might be someone who can look at this y value and simply say, hey, that's going to be the square root of 2. But if you're not sure as to what that is, then you wouldn't be able to answer it, would you? So we know that this value here is 2, but we don't know this one yet. We know it's 1.411, but that's not an option given here. So what we're going to have to do is jump back to this one and just go, well, what is f of pi on 8? And just like that, you get the square root of 2. So that means this value here is the square root of 2. Now, you have to be careful about what you're including and what you're not including here. They're trying to throw you off with these brackets here. So the fact that we've got a square bracket here tells me that I'm including this point, but I'm not including that point because it's a round bracket. But do I care about this point? No, I don't care about this point because it has nothing to do with the range. The range is the smallest to the biggest. So that means it's going to be, what is it going to be? It's going to be C, because it's going to be the smallest value, the square root of 2, to the biggest value of 2, and you're including both of them. So my answer will be C there. Hopefully this has made sense of how you would approach this question. I think it's really important that you can use your CAS efficiently here, and I'll see you in the next one.